How to be a lifelong learner. The world is changing faster than ever, and the key to success? Lifelong learning. Whether you want to grow in your career, develop new skills, or simply stay curious, learning never stops. In this video, we'll show you how to develop a lifelong learning mindset, practical strategies to absorb knowledge effectively, and how to turn learning into a daily habit. Let's get started. Why lifelong learning matters. Gone are the days when learning stopped after school. Today, industries evolve rapidly, and staying competitive means constantly updating your skills. But beyond career growth, lifelong learning boosts brain health, enhances creativity, and keeps life exciting. Some of the most successful people in the world dedicate time to learning every day. So, how can you make lifelong learning part of your lifestyle? The mindset of a lifelong learner. The first step? Adopting a growth mindset, believing that your abilities aren't fixed but can improve with effort. Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," say, "I can get better with practice." Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Every expert was once a beginner. Practical strategies to learn anything. Read more. Reading is the fastest way to expand your knowledge. Try audiobooks, ebooks, or even book summaries if you're short on time. Learn by doing. Knowledge without application is useless. Experiment, create, and apply what you learn immediately. Take online courses. With platforms like Coursera and Udemy, you can learn almost anything from experts around the world. Join learning communities. Surround yourself with curious minds. Join online communities, attend workshops, and never stop exchanging ideas. 4. Turning learning into a habit. The secret to lifelong learning? Make it a habit. Start small. Dedicate just 15-30 minutes daily to learning, whether it's reading, watching a documentary, or practicing a new skill. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated. Try journaling what you learn each day. Lifelong learning isn't just about knowledge. It's about growth, opportunity, and staying ahead in life. Which learning strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more self-improvement tips.